everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your industry news to a LinkedIn post automatically using AI. Here I have built the connection between RSS by Pabbly, OpenAI and LinkedIn in such a manner that whenever I receive a new news feed from my RSS by Pabbly, automatically the post is created using AI and it is posted to my LinkedIn. Without lifting me any finger, the workflow is automated and it posts on my LinkedIn automatically. If you also want to learn how you can create this for your business, let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can publish industry news instantly on LinkedIn, and for this we are going to build the connection between RSS by Pabbly, AI and then LinkedIn using Pabbly Connect. Now this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I'm going to create it from the scratch. I'm going to name this workflow as turn industry news into LinkedIn post automatically using AI, and now I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select as LinkedIn automations and then click on create. Here, workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow with as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new news from RSS, automatically the post is created by AI and posted to my LinkedIn, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new news from RSS by Pabbly, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking RSS by Pabbly. Now it is a feature by Pabbly using which I captured the latest news. So I'm going to select the trigger event as new item in feed and then click on connect. Here I have to enter the feed URL first. So I'm capturing the news from this Times of India RSS feeds. I have to enter that URL. Now here we have all the categories. You can see that we have this auto, astrology, most commented, shared, read, life and style, entertainment, education, tech, environment, sports, cricket, business, NRI, world, India, most recent top stories. Then we have the city wise. So here I want the industry news. I'm going to go towards this business, and here on the top I have this URL which I have to copy and paste it over here. That's it. Whatever RSS newsfeed you are using, you have to enter the feed URL here, and then you have to select the filter type. I'm going to select this default, which is recommended, and then I'm going to hit save and send test request. You will see that I'm going to get the response. So here I have received the top news of this business area. Crude comeback, 20 million barrels leave Iran port after peace breakthrough. So this is the title of the news. Then we have this link. So I'm going to copy this link, paste it in a new tab and check what link it has provided to me, and this has been provided. After month of disruption, oil exports from Iran finally picked up from Tehran and Washington reached a peace deal. I'll go back towards my workflow. We have received all the details with the link content, and then we have received the title. So here we have received the new news. Now here, as soon as we have received the response, we can see the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new news, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. But here RSS by Pabbly is a polling based application. If I right click on this clock, I have this option of set trigger time. In the drop down, I have all the trigger time. I'm going to select as check every 10 minutes, and then I'm going to save this. Now Pabbly Connect will check for the response every 10 minutes. Polling based application do not give you the response instantly, so you have to set the trigger time. Here we have set the timing as check every 10 minutes. Now I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application I'm going to search for OpenAI. In my action event I'm going to select ChatGPT and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on the add new connection. And now to make this connection we have to enter the API token. To get this API token, I have clicked the hyperlink given in the help desk, and we have to click on this create new secret key. First we have to provide the key name, so let's say the key is test. The project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you have to copy and paste that over here. I have already an existing connection. I've created this connection multiple times, so I'm going to save this connection saved successfully. Now I have to enter the AI model and the prompt. Now in the drop down you can see all the AI models which I have. I am going to select GPT-5 mini, and then I'm going to enter the prompt. Now I'm going to enter the prompt in a way I want my post to be created, from RSS to a LinkedIn post. So I'm going to enter all the details which I require in the prompt. Here I've entered the prompt: analyze the following industry news and transform it into a professional LinkedIn post, create a strong hook, summarize the news, explain the business impact, share a key insight, and end with engaging question. Keep the tone professional, conversational, and under 200 words. Add relevant keywords. Now I'm going to enter / go towards this RSS. I'm going to map the title and the link of this news. Now why I'm mapping this? Because I have to create this field as dynamic. If I manually enter the details, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response the result will not change, and that's why this mapping is important, and that's why we map the details instead of manually entering it. Now with the help of this mapping, whenever you receive a new response, this is going to get replaced automatically, and your automation will run smoothly and the post will be created on your LinkedIn. So here I have entered the details. I'll hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. In this message content I have the entire post. So I'm going to open this post. We can see the details. 20 million barren on the move, a stark reminder that geopolitics still set the rhythm for global energy markets. According to Times of India, key takeaways, and then how you adjusting sourcing, hedging, or strategic plans to respond faster when geopolitical event reopen supply channels. Then we have the hashtags also. Here we have received the response, and this is a very nice post we can create and post on LinkedIn. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in the action application I'm going to search for LinkedIn. In the action event I'm going to select share simple text and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with LinkedIn. Here I have entered my password, and here it is, connection created successfully. So when you want to make a new connection, you have to enter the credentials again, no matter if you have already logged in or not. Now I'm going to enter the author. So the author is already selected. This is the author, and then I'm going to enter the content, or I'm going to map the content from the response I've received from OpenAI, which is this one. The visibility will be public. I'll simply hit save and send test request, and here we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my LinkedIn, and over here you can see that I have automatically just now posted this on my LinkedIn. You can see that we have just now created this post: 20 million barren on the move, a stark reminder that geopolitics, and this is the same exact post which we have created using OpenAI, and we have shared that to my LinkedIn. So this is how we have built the connection between RSS and LinkedIn and AI using Pabbly Connect. So we have actually turned the industry news into LinkedIn post automatically using AI. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below, and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below, and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.